Jagoro mongere migawo mar arita Raymondo Omollo oyawo ayanga chenro mar sirikal mar pidho yiende pachoka ma itayo gi apisas mag sirikal mamalo. Ma en chenro mageto chopo lek ma sirikal ni godo mar pidho yiende maromo bilion 15 kochopo 2032. Chenro ibiro taa gi ruodhi mawuok e location duto ma pachoka ka igeno ni mano biro konyo e duoko piny midhiero ma ikelo gi lokruok chako lwasi.
We have a major agenda, which is a government agenda, led by our head of state, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, that we plant and grow 15 billion trees in the next 10 years. Now it's 8 years. We are actually lagging behind.
Our administration's bottom-up economic transformation agenda places the most basic units of society at the center of all government interventions. Chiefs are at the heart of our strategy as national government administrative officers, coordinating resources and efforts at the most local level. Their connection to communities, combined with their deep knowledge of local issues, makes them essential to driving Kenya's climate action initiatives.